Always fish plate your frames. It really locks in that Z cut. So now we got these two carriage bolts in, and these two up here. This one's the factory rivet. Then we'll put a carriage bolt in here. It'll really lock down that Z cut. So no worries. And then now we're going to come and put the body support brace back on right here, and there's never have to worry about anything on this truck. And it covers it, and you really can't see. You'll never notice where I even cut it. We put carriage bolts in. They look like factory rivets. That's what we try to strive for here, is that factory look. Just like down on the bottom, they look like just rivets. And that's where I cut it. You never really know from the rest of the frame. We put carriage bolts in, makes it look like the factory rivets, top and in that bottom brace. But right there is where the Z cut is. Never really see it like the rest of the frame. Pop it. About to start to bed. Next video.